Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QuickBooks account using the high-end 2026 technical interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to transition their studio-level bookkeeping and market analysis into a high-end cloud-based accounting environment. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the high-end 2026 QuickBooks Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional accounting environment. You need to ensure you are on the technically latest version of the platform to access the latest high-end features. Open your browser and go to the official QuickBooks website. Look for the Sign Up or Plans and Pricing section. Click on the button to start a new account. Starting at the official high-end source is a professional standard. It technically ensures your studio data is secure and that your bookkeeping starts on a verified platform. Next, choose your professional studio plan. QuickBooks offers various technical tiers. You must select the one that matches your professional market analysis requirements. Review the available plans: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Pick the plan that technically supports the number of users and high-end features like inventory or project tracking your studio requires. Selecting the right tier is a mechanical necessity for bookkeeping efficiency. It technically aligns your professional budget with the high-end tools needed for your specific market analysis. Next, technically input your professional credentials. Now you need to establish your identity within the high-end Intuit ecosystem. Enter your email address, first and last name, and mobile number. Create a high-end technical password. Click Sign Up to move to the next studio phase. This step is a professional standard. It technically secures your bookkeeping data and links your high-end profile to the Intuit security network for your professional peace of mind. And that's pretty much it. To create a QuickBooks account in 2026, navigate to the official site and technically select your professional plan. Input your credentials, configure your business profile for market analysis, and finally, verify your email to access your high-end dashboard. This professional workflow ensures your studio bookkeeping is technically perfect. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.